Dear friends, myself Gurukant Mandile, and today I have to tell you a speech on topic importance of education. Education is a power that we can change the world. A simple person can take education and change the world. We can take the example of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, who took the education and changed India. They wrote our constitution. World doesn't stop for anyone. World is going ahead. But we have to take the speed of world. We have to take education. We must take education to become rich, to run fast from world. World is walking, we have to run. World is running, we have to run fast from world. It is a tool which helps us to express our thoughts and feelings, and we can use it in work also. It promotes the feeling of living a better and luxury life. Who did the perfect education? Who did all the things? Education develops our mind, body and spirit. Education is never be waste. You can go in any field. Education is never waste. And the value, the importance of education, tell the value of the education. It helps to develop. Education provides a lot of knowledge, and education is used in all the countries. But there are so many persons who took education, but they did not become rich, they did not become successful, they did not take any respectful post. There are some people who has educated, they have talent also, but they did not have skill. There are some people who has skill and talent also, but they are not educated. There are so many people, but to become a rich, there is one point also that in a 10 years old, the children say that I want to become a teacher. Then in 15 years old, they say I want to become doctor. Then they say I want to become collector. And when they become young, they say I want to become minister. What is that? You have to focus on one goal, because the Acharya Chanakya changed our history because they focus on one goal. They did not think that Magad is so big kingdom. How can I defeat the Magad? How can I defeat the king of Magad, Dhananand? How can I defeat the Mahamatya, the main member of Magad? Acharya Chanakya did not think, but they focus on only one goal, that I want to make an undivided India. But there are some people who say, how can I do it? That is so big thing. How can I do it? I am so small. I have don't level to do it. And some poor people say, how can I become a millionaire? But how can I become a millionaire? They have skill, they have talent, and they have education also. But they did not have confidence. That's why they are back. The people say, the Narendra Modi sir, they say that the Congress member is Prime Minister. How can I become the Prime Minister? How can I make the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party? How can I make this? But they did not think that. They focus on only their goals. And they are Prime Minister of our India. Today they are Prime Minister. The world remember them, who did different from the peoples. There are some people who is doctor, I want to become doctor. But one person say, I want to become PM. He is different from the world. He is different. He is different from the classroom. He is different from the students. And he did not focus on one goal. And did not become PM. Only 1 or 2 persons are there who are able to become a PM in a state, and people says to people that how can he become, the people insult to him, how can he become, he's so small. Some people say to Acharya Chanakya also that how can you make the undivided India, the Mughal is so powerful, you can't make the undivided India because Mughal will defeat you in seconds. But Acharya Chanakya ignored them, and today but Acharya Chanakya ignored them. That's why they make the undivided India. And we can take the example of Narendra Modi sir also, that they say that people say them, you are a small child, how can you become the PM? The PM is so big post. It is a higher post of India. It is a higher post from all the peoples of India. But Narendra Modi sir did not listen them. Their friends teach them, how can you become PM? You are a tea seller. But they change the India. They develop today India. They are Prime Minister of India. And they develop the India. We have to clear and perfect, and we have confidence on our work. And there are some people who did not have confidence and they are doing that work. But they have one goal but did not have confidence. They choose a goal, they have confidence. They choose one goal, they have confidence on one goal also. Because Acharya Chanakya has confidence that I can make the Akhanda Bharat. I have one goal. I want to make the undivided India. That is my duty of an Indian citizen. But there are some people today, they have talent, skill, all the talents they have. They are educated. They choose one goal, but they did not have confidence. Because the confidence play a great role in our life, on the human's life, because all that depends on our confidence. Our confidence is not, our confidence is. Because a person has a confidence, he can do anything. But a person who did not have confidence, who can't do anything, he can't make a small house also. But a person have a confidence that I want to make the big building, I want to make the Burj Khalifa. He can make. But a person did not have confidence to become rich, he want to do the simple job. No guarantee he will do simple job. But a person decided, I have confidence that I have confidence, I can do anything. He can change the history, he can write the constitution. We can take the example of Gandhiji, who made India to make the Britishers out from India. They changed the India. They gave freedom to India. They gave the freedom. But they did not think that Britishers are so powerful in India. Their rule is running. They are taking tax. They will defeat me in seconds. But they say British are also intelligent. But I take the squad. They have the gun. They can defeat me in seconds also. But Gandhiji take the way of Gandhiji swore that they will expel the Britishers from the India. They did that. The Britishers. Thank you for watching my speech carefully. Share it on WhatsApp, YouTube.